Hello and welcome back to day 2. Here's Luke driving to... We're off to Hollywood Studios today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on the notification bell because obviously I'm doing my massive Orlando giveaway and you don't want to miss any videos. So today we're off to Hollywood Studios. We're just trying to get some signal to get the sat nav on. And we're off to Hollywood Studios. We've Genie Plussed Tower of Terror. I tried to Genie Plus Slinky Dog Dash, but it had already gone by 7:01 and I wasn't brave enough to wait till 7:08 because apparently they come back on. I Genie Plus Tower of Terror and then hopefully we're going to be able to buy Rise of the Resistance at 8:30 and then hopefully we'll be able to go on lots of rides today.
£15.07. So make the change up, so it's all in fives.
So we just drove in and we thought we were going to get the front parking space and then basically we missed it by 1, so we're right down there. But we're here, there is the Tower of Terror. Very, very exciting. The queues are mad already. The park's only been open, I think the park had been open 4 minutes and Rise of the Resistance was 90 minutes and Slinky Dog Dash was 60 minutes. So I think we're going to... Oh, I need to get my phone actually. I need to go. Goodbye. I've lost my family. They walk so slowly. They don't understand that we're on a mission. None of you understand. We're on a mission. Not that kind of mission.
Ian got stuck at the gates.
Of course he did. Of course he did. Right, we're going to go to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway at the top of Hollywood Boulevard. Because we've never been on it before. It used to be the Great Movie Ride, but basically the queues are horrendous, but it's fine, we can't get another fast pass for another 2 hours anyway, so we're just gonna enjoy it. The thing is, I think basically we're very lucky to have Genie Plus, right? If we didn't have Genie Plus, we'd have to queue. So queuing is part of theme parks are part of happiness, happiness is part of life, do you know what I mean? So
I rolled off the tongue.
Oh, no,
I love that.
No, very profound, darling. But basically, we've said, we've bought these tickets, we're here, we're probably not going to come back for another sort of 5, 6, 7 years until I have small children. So, and I won't be able to do all these rides then. So, we've just got to enjoy it. Like, we've got unlimited express passes for Universal and Islands Adventure for the next 2 days. So those will just bash round. So we're just going to enjoy the day. Sam just called me, and when we're back on the app, we'd missed a lightning lane, so very upsetting, but here we are in the Chinese theatre, former home of one of my dad's old favourite rides, Great Movie Ride. Let's go to the movies and all that. So we just went on Star Tours. It was the new Star Tours. We haven't done it yet. It was good actually, but also we've done like normal Star Tours before. But let's go into Galaxy's Edge. Oh, I don't even know what. I reckon that's the line for Rise of the Resistance. This is the line for Rise of the Resistance, which is why we're not queuing for it. So this is Galaxy's Edge. We're going to go on Millennium Falcon, because we've got like a fast pass for it, Genie Plus. Fast pass, we'll still call it fast pass, whatever.
You remind me of, but without the bounty on your heads,
Showing Millennium Falcon, first class flight. Looks like so atmospheric, darling. I'm gonna put it away now. So Millennium Falcon made me feel a bit sick. So we're coming to do one of our old faves. Yeah, we were pilots. It was quite difficult, but I don't think it was actually real. I don't think you were actually moving the thing. But you made me feel sick. And we've got a whole day of simulators tomorrow, so good times, good times. So we've just had some lunch. We had the Ronton wraps from the Ronton restaurant. I'll put a picture here. They were so good, like honestly amazing. And then Mum and Luke had these surly salads, which are like rose and grapefruit vodka with limeade and like mango flavouring. I was like, no, I don't want one, I should drink water. And then I tried it, so now I've got one. And now I'm off to buy my mini ears, okay? I'll be back soon. Right, I've just bought this to add to the giveaway for today. So don't forget, you need to subscribe to my channel. You need to comment down below. So we're at Hollywood Studios today, so tell me what your favourite movie is, or just comment about the video, you know. And basically you have to do this on all of the videos from yesterday until I tell you to stop. And then everyone that subscribed and commented on all the videos will be entered into a draw and will win a little Orlando sort of melee of gifts. Obviously I can't get massive things because of storage to come home, but there'll be good things. So today we've got your little Mickey pen. Obviously you saw what you got yesterday too. So we sat and had an ice cream and waited for the parade, and now we're just about to have the parade passing by. Right, we've managed to get Rise of Resistance, Lightning Lane. So we've got, our afternoon is Tower of Terror, Toy Story Mania, Rise of Resistance. Probably won't get to do Slinky Dog Dash, but you know what? We're going to be on so many roller coasters tomorrow. It's going to
be rocking and rolling.
Are you ready to rock and to roll? Okay, so I've never ever seen this. Queuing for Tower of Terror, and there's a character in the queue. How random. Never ever ever seen anything like that. So we're now. Tower of Terror was great, wasn't it, Luke?
Oh my god, amazing. I loved it. I want to go again.
So, I have a bit of a confession to make. Oh, I'll tell you what's a bit of a Toy Story. Oh no, what? I was winning the whole way through until the last two games. A load of shit. This place is literally so cute. How's your shoulder feeling, Luke?
It's my wrist. I got like positive strain syndrome.
What, RSI? RSI from Toy Story Mania.
I love it. It's a love Toy Story.
We love it.
Toy Story. Toy Story.
Yeah, it's great.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldammer and a squadron.
Wow, I've never been outside of the ride.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Yon. Luke, you excited?
So excited. I literally don't know what's going to happen. So I've done it before.
First time riders. So we're on Rise for Resistance. It's looking amazing. We just went to another room. I even filmed it on my phone, so I put it here. I'm not filming you. I'm just going to be something in front of you. Yeah, it's amazing. No wonder they have to charge 15 quid for this ride. It's like you're in that space in. It's drama. There's actors involved.
Keep your legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block bridge.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Detention block bridge. Prisoners not seen for detention. There they are! Fire!
These state pops just follow us. Take the list down. I'll cover you. Hurry! No, not her! I said down!
Oh, it's like Tower of Terror.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
Abandon ship! I repeat, abandon ship! This is shorter than...
There's no escape. Do not tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, Scaffery's pod beacon.
pods down in Sector 4. Verification ending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? Got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! Still alive? I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
So, Rise of the Resistance was absolutely amazing, wasn't it, Dad?
It was a great ride. We were in a movie.
It was like we were in a movie. But you can see why it's a long queue, because it's a long ride. Like, the pre-show's long, then the actual ride's really long. It's amazing, but it must have cost them so much money to make, because it's huge. Like, it's on. I think that's the beauty of Walt Disney World, in that they've got the space to build all this sort of stuff, whereas at other parks they have to take things out to build new things. But yeah, it was just amazing, like amazing. I mean,
You cannot describe it on a video.
I mean, I videoed it
I've
for
been going
them.
on rides all my life. Life is a ride.
Life is a roller coaster, just got to ride it, in the words of Ronan Keating.
But this was the greatest one I've ever been on.
Thank you, Ian.
Mark my words.
Right, we've just been on Rock and Roller Coaster. Now, me. So basically, I bought these little Coke and Sprite bottles, and I put them on my Instagram story. And my brother was like, "Oh, I want some." So we've got to go back and get them, and then we're gonna go to Outback Steakhouse. Bloomin' onion from Outback and the amazing bread. The best. If you haven't had one of these, you need to have one. I mean, I look horrendous, but we're home now. Had a lovely meal, just been in the pool and stuff. So we'll see you tomorrow, Universal tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enter the giveaway. I'll see you soon.